vlog hari ini di Hong Kong, nggak di Jakarta, karena kita lagi transit di sini. Kita di Shanghai. Oh, lucu banget. Ini apaan? Ada Sumpi. Hai guys, jadi aku udah di Shanghai dan sekarang aku lagi ada di mall. Aku nggak tahu nama mallnya apa karena nama mallnya itu Cina banget. Kita lagi mau makan, gila aku udah lapar banget. Banyak banget dari kalian yang nge-DM aku suruh makan di sini. Jadi this is the very first stop. I'm awake. So now I'm gonna try my best to say the F awake. And now I'm gonna get ready for dinner because we're gonna meet all our influencers tonight. I'm gonna start off with my skincare. This is my current favorite. Oh my god, this stuff is magic. Within one use, my skin was so glowy. So I realized that I kind of forgot to tell you guys why I'm here. So Benefit brought me and Abel here and a bunch of other influencers from Asia Pacific. So we're gonna meet the influencers tonight. Nervous but excited. Benefit is launching a special product they think is perfect for us Asians. I've been munching on these non-stop since I arrived. Hi Bena babes, it's me, Tita Tyra, and I'm gonna get ready for dinner tonight. Yellow eyeshadow. It ain't me if it ain't winged. This might have been an impulsive decision. Okay, let's continue. Iya mirip banget.
Selamat makan.
Aku cantik gak?
Terima kasih.
Don't forget us. All your working friends follow me.
Yes, okay.
Good morning, top of the morning to y'all. I've never said that in my life, but okay. Here we have Gaia.
Top of the morning to y'all.
Tell them what you're doing for me.
Editing your video.
You're not editing my video. Basically, I'm in China, so I can't really access YouTube right now, but I really want to upload an epic USA spring break vlog for you guys. I had him upload it. Thank you, boyfie/PA. I'm gonna continue my makeup and let's do the rest of the day. Bye!
Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down.
Keren banget guys, rame banget. Udah kayak
Terbiasa gitu sama Starbucks.
iya. Dan sebanyak orang Cina lagi shopping, udah kayak market deh beneran. Kayak KFC. Jadi di sini itu ada banyak rasa yang nggak ada di dunia lain. Tadi gue salah ngomong dunia lain. Serius banget lagi gue ngomongnya. Di kota lain, 这里有什么特别的？好像在别的地方没有。
这里是别的地方都没有。
哦，
这个好喝吗？这个是热的，
热的，没有冷的。
没有冷的。
Ta-da! Our drinks are here.
Quiet voices in the night. Time is running out of sight.
Kita sekarang lagi taking a breather, minum teh. Dan Abel di sini masih terlihat sangat glam. By the way, kita berdua pakai baju pomelo. Pomelo, please sponsor us. Thank you. Okay, I redid my makeup. This is the look today. Basically my usual orange reddish look. Tapi tadi pas di zip up kayak gini kata mama, ini mah terlalu casual. Terus gue kayak ya udah kayak gini. Jadi di zip down dikit aja udah deh jadi evening wear. We just got off the bus and we are arrived at the location and oh my god, we all gasped so hard. Look at this. Oh my god. They rented a whole warehouse. We're here with Sunny. Banyak banget yang minta gue collab lagi sama dia. Dia global guys. Korea, Indonesia, sekarang ke Cina.
Kali, aduh seneng banget bisa ketemu di Cina kita. Nanti main dong please.
Yeah, we're at the lunch with Wendy and Mong. So many people in Indonesia love you guys. Say hello.
Singaporeans love Titan too.
Thank you. Jadi ini guys, situation di dalam. So many people from so many countries and everybody looks so gorgeous. And I want to show you guys, this is what the product looks like. He's doing this and I'm doing this back at him.
I'm surrounded by balls. Yay, my favorite.
Ngapain kamu orang Korea? Terus dia kayak happy aja gitu di videoin banyak orang gitu.
What's happy song?
Guys, aku sampai sekarang udah main di setiap tempat dan aku belum mainin foundation sama sekali. Kamu lagi kantor. What I like about this is that even though they say it's lightweight, it actually does cover my blemishes. I love it. Yeah, I actually love
Dia
it.
kayak ada pore blurring juga gitu guys. Kita nih cantik banget guys. Kesel deh gue liat
Ah, jangan gitulah jadi malu.
Gak mau, aku mau berisik.
Makan.
Abel di sini mukbang sendiri dia.
Hello everybody.
Halo.
Ini beneran host, ini beneran SBS host. Salah.
Gimana ibu? Perasaannya menjadi
Shock.
Gimana lu sekarang?
Apa sih lu mau nanya gue apa sih? Gue dari tadi penasaran, tau gak sih?
Lucasnya, 안녕하세요. Titan. I'm Korean for the night. Yay. I'm showing them this app secret. Jen with big nostrils. He's the real one. Pretty cute.
Siang guys, hari ini day 3 ya? Day 3, kita di Debun atau Deban, nggak tahu, pokoknya bagus banget tempatnya ya. Iya. Dari kemarin kayak kita ngeliat biasa aja tempatnya, tapi kali ini oke ya? Iya oke, bagus. Sekarang kita lagi ada di restoran namanya Canton Table and apparently it's super fancy because they even make their own tea. Guys, jadi tadi aku baru bilang kita bukan food blogger tahu, nggak usah ngomongin makanan. Tapi setelah makan hakau goreng udang kayak surga, it's so good. Kita sampai langsung pesen lagi. So good. Katanya ini egg tartnya enak banget, jadi gue disuruh video sampai segitu. Apa kalau kata Abel? Endolita Babanero. Kalau kata gue Alejandro Georgia. Pengen berkata kasar. Enak banget.
Enak kan?
Pastry-nya juga yang kayak crumble. Terus ini yang panas. Weh, udah di
Food blogger.
Jacuzzi time. so good. Okay, so there are metal seats. There are metal seats here so we can sit on it and lay down. Guys, look how amazingly tall this building is. Insane. Hi guys. Repeat. So as promised, I want to do a first impression on the Benefit Hello Happy Soft Blur Foundation. This is what it looks like. In terms of the color, I think I'm really liking it. It's blending into my skin. Also, I haven't shaved my armpits, so if you guys see any stubble, don't judge. We've all been there, okay? Okay, so I'm using the sponge that they gave me, but the thing is I feel like it's picking up a lot of the foundation, and I think I'll use a second layer with my usual beauty blender. Also, my pants are too big. I bought XS in Pomelo, and usually they fit, but I don't know why. Okay, let's try that again with the beauty blender. I definitely see a blurring factor, which is what they put the most emphasis on. Optical spheres that will blur your imperfections instead of fully covering them. Alright, now it's time to set my foundation. I'm using the Pond's Magic Powder. By the way, I did some freckles today. Hey guys, this is the finished look, including the hair. And I love the finish of the foundation. So smooth. Hey guys, jadi aku totally forgot this video tuh harusnya ada giveaway. Jadi kalian bisa menangin your Hello Happy foundation shade before it launched in Indo. So it's a privilege. All you gotta do is like this video, comment down below what's your favorite part of the vlog, so don't forget to finish watching the vlog, yeah? And then follow me on Instagram, follow Benefit Indonesia on Instagram, and then look for the selfie on my Instagram. Tag 2 of your besties. I'm gonna be checking if you did all the steps before you win your own Hello Happy foundation. Okay, moving on to the vlog. Hi guys, so now we're out. We're at this place called Grandma's Home, Waipotia. This is green tea cake. I'm not sure what this is, but I think it's pork, and this is also pork. There's a little bit of alcohol in the sauce, super good. Hi guys, now I'm in Now I'm in this place, I don't know how to pronounce it, but basically there's a lot of people. Everyone is actually staring at me right now because it's a super touristy place. Literally everyone's staring at me. I can't continue. I want to say something else. We just bought some necklaces, and I feel like everything here is a little bit overpriced. Oh yeah, my mom bought this. Look. Kita tiba di tempat penuh dengan BH. Kaget. Hai guys, jadi sekarang aku udah di Wuchen, baru jam 11 pagi dan kita udah di kota yang berbeda. Basically Wuchen itu dibilang Venice of China. Let's go! Such a beautiful water town. This whole place is actually humongous. I would say it's like as big as like Kelapa Gading or Pek, gede banget kayak bener-bener. Kalau jalan tuh nggak selesai sampai kita udah naik perahu segala.
Good luck.